Six-month-old camp was supposed to be breaking down today. We're talking about Occupy Boise, but for one simple reason: maintenance crews need to do yard work at the old Ada County Courthouse. But here's the question tonight: why is the camp staying put after occupiers say they offered to move? Fink joins us live in the studio with more.
Gemma, for the last 5 months, Occupy Boise protesters have called the grounds of the old Ada County Courthouse their gathering spot. They have offered to temporarily move their tents to another location, but they say they haven't heard back from the state. So tonight, the movement continues right where it's originated.
The only way these days to get at people's attention is to do something dramatic.
This has been the setting of Occupy Boise's drama for 5+ months. On the lawn of the old Ada County Courthouse, protesters gather and tents stay pitched, blowing in the Sunday wind.
Different times when the country was difficult financial times, difficult times period, the tent was there. People could live on a very basic level. If you can't afford a lobbyist, you can afford a tent for $20 or $30.
Occupiers recently wrote a letter to the Attorney General's office saying that they would temporarily move these tents off this lawn for maintenance, but they have no intention of moving these tents for good. They say these tents are the best permanent symbol of its cause, and if they were to ever move, the tents would surely follow. Occupiers say the letter on 2 separate occasions was ignored by state leaders, so they are staying on these grounds today, dancing and singing, united for change. And as other Occupy movements across the country have slowed, some coming to a halt, here in the City of Trees, the protest continues.
It's the heart of the people that are here. There's a closeness, and there's a tight-knit bond in this community.
With heart and the presence of tents, occupiers vow their voices will not be muted as they're ready for more legal battles with their neighbors across the street. And the next legal battle will take place between occupiers and the state in court on June 7th for an evidentiary hearing. Both sides will call witnesses. The state wants occupiers off its land. Occupiers hope a U.S. district judge from Pocatello will rule that the tents can stay up permanently. Live tonight in studio, Fink, Fox 9 News at 9.